The Earth? But why did Jiren come here?
Hey, Belmont. All your people are wreaking havoc. It seems Casserole and some others have been attacking West City. I'd wager they've probably been brainwashed like Jiren. So I told Goku and his friends to head over and take care of them. Likely they're all spread out, but Jiren, Toppo, and Dispo, I'll leave to you.
Where are the three of them hanging around? And more importantly, what are they doing?
Well, I'm pretty beat. Time for a nap after all that hard work. Anyway, you take it from here. Whis, got the transmission.
Hey! You're taking a nap at a time like this?
Lord Belmont? What's the matter?
Over there! Here! Toppo! Dispo! Remember who you really are! You're superheroes, not supervillains!
We remember quite well, Lord Belmont. For at this moment, we are being more heroic than ever. And we've only just begun, so you sit back and witness the heroes before you.
The power of our justice is supreme, and you'll soon see how we exterminate evil.
I already know there's no convincing you otherwise. Because something sinister has warped your thoughts and ideals. But still, as one of the gods of Universe 11, this is my duty. I will correct your mistakes and return you all to normal.
I can tell you're strong just by looking at you. It's a shame that we have to meet as enemies. But the Pride Troopers are gonna teach you the true meaning of justice. Come on, let's go! I only came to this crappy planet because you asked me to, Jiren. Oh, God. Get it now! Those guys are the great evil that's threatening this world, right?
No.
What? It's not them? What are you even talking about? Could it be someone stronger?
A great evil? Who could they be talking about? Right now, they're not exactly good judges of what's considered good or bad.
Not bad. You're keeping up with my super speed. But guess what? I ain't even kicked things into high gear yet. Seriously, let's see how much longer you can keep up.
is almost done. What work? He hasn't even lifted a finger. Now you'd like to explain what's going on here? Just look. His prime troopers still seem to be on the board. So what's the deal? These damn fools. They keep prattling on about justice like a broken record.
Where do you think you're
Can't you? Aren't I generous, supreme guy of time, sending so much help your way? You want to see through my criticisms.
Thank you, I think. You're bringing brilliance with that
Justice cannot lose. Evil will be crushed in my palm. They're far stronger than I thought.
Jiren, the rest is up to you!
Good. Now only Kieran's left to take care of.
That's strange.
What's strange? Is there something else bothering you, Lord Belmont?
If their goal was to conquer this planet, they would have already, but they didn't tear through the populated cities. They'd have known that was their best line of attack. Instead, they chose the middle of nowhere.
Then they must have some other reason.
That's the only possibility that makes sense.
Yo! Sorry I took so long.
Goku! I thought you were protecting the town.
Yeah, but then Lord Beerus had Vegeta and Piccolo cover that area. So now I'm here to help out with taking down Jiren.
Goku. Goku, I know your strength. You have what it takes to stop me, don't you?
Yeah, you bet I do, Jiren.
Take him out for us, Jiren. For justice!
In the
Say
name
your
of
prayers.
justice,